Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to this channel all about wealth. This is our first Nifty Bank Nifty prediction video for 17th November 2020. So let's see what is in store for us tomorrow. This is the Nifty chart for till 16th November 2020 और ये जो हम लोग देख रहे हैं ट्रेडर्स, ये है मुहूर्त ट्रेडिंग which was done on the, we can see here it was done on the 14th November 2020. अब ये मुहूर्त ट्रेडिंग को थोड़ा सा हम लोग डिटेल में चेक करेंगे 5 मिनट चार्ट पे जाके, और ये मुहूर्त ट्रेडिंग ये बताता है कि गैप अप स्टार्ट हुआ मुहूर्त ट्रेडिंग में एंड देन इमीडिएटली सेलिंग स्टार्ट हुआ है. ओके, सो वी हैव टू कंसिडर दिस एज अ इम्पोर्टेंट स्टेज. ओके, वेयर अगर आर्ली चार्ट में देखते हैं तो ये मुहूर्त ट्रेडिंग ने निफ्टी का लास्ट टाइम का डे हाई भी तोड़ दिया है. Okay, which is a very positive sign. By the way, Nifty is very bullish. You can see this, it is very bullish. But as of now, what I think is it is in a overbought territory. Okay, अगर मैं इसको आर्ली चार्ट में देखता हूँ तो it is fairly in a overbought territory. Okay, now what we have to understand out here is, पहले ट्रेडर्स एक बात आप ध्यान में रखना, निफ्टी कभी भी एक सिंगल डायरेक्शन में जाता नहीं है. या एनी चार्ट, स्टॉक्स हो, बैंक निफ्टी हो, निफ्टी हो, गोल्ड हो, सिल्वर हो, कमोडिटीज हो, इक्विटीज हो, व्हाटएवर, ये एक डायरेक्शन जाएगा नहीं है. इफ वी सी अ 5 मिनट चार्ट, ओके, इट इज गोइंग अप एंड डाउन एंड अप एंड डाउन एंड अप एंड डाउन एंड ऑल. अगर मैं इसको थोड़ा सा और, ये देखिए, यहाँ से फिर ऊपर गया, फिर थोड़ा सा आया, फिर ऊपर गया, फिर थोड़ा सा कंसोलिडेट हुआ, फिर ऊपर गया, फिर थोड़ा सा कंसोलिडेट गया, और अभी ये स्टेज के बाद एक अभी भी कंसोलिडेशन में है. सिर्फ मुहूर्त ट्रेडिंग में इसने एक छलांग लगाई. इट हैज रिजन अबाउट द अर्लियर डे हाई एंड इट इज टच न्यू हाई. नाउ व्हाट इज स्टोर फॉर अस इन निफ्टी? लेट अस सी. नाउ you have to understand one thing, traders. These are certain levels I have marked. Okay, I'll go a bit more. Here we go. अब इसके ऊपर वी डोंट हैव एनी डेटा, एटलीस्ट ऑन द चार्ट. ऑफकोर्स ऑप्शन चेन में डेटा है, लेकिन यहाँ पे हमारे पास कुछ कंपैरिजन के लिए नहीं है. तो इट डजंट मीन कि इट विल गो अप वन साइडेड में. ओके, सो वी हैव टू एनालाइज एंड ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड कि किस डायरेक्शन में कैसे जाएगा निफ्टी. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल what I think we can do is, or you have to watch out this level is 12,800 से 12,000 एंड ये जो इसका टॉप है 12,829. ये जो 29 पॉइंट्स का जो डिस्टेंस है निफ्टी को, दिस कैन वर्क आउट एज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग रेजिस्टेंस एज ऑफ नाउ. ओके, बट इट डजंट मीन कि यहाँ पे जाते ही आप इसको शॉर्ट करना है. वेट, ये जो लेवल है 12,806, इफ निफ्टी गैप अप करके इसके ऊपर ओपन करता है फिर से कल, ओके, देन देयर आर चांसेस दैट इट कैन गो अप फर्दर. अब ये जाएगा कहाँ तक? मेरे हिसाब से इट कैन गो टिल 12,880 टू 12,900 के आसपास में. ओके, एंड देन इट विल डू अ स्मॉल कंसोलिडेशन अगेन. ओके, सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल. द फाइनल मेरे हिसाब से जो डेस्टिनेशन वुड बी दिस रेड लाइन विच सेज 12,970. But how do you trade? That is the important thing. Okay, तो पहले now we are at 12,800 के आसपास है. See, this is the मुहूर्त ट्रेडिंग का जो ट्रेड हुआ ये, but actually परसों जो क्लोज हो गया है वो ये लेवल पे. SGS निफ्टी showing, अगर डेली चार्ट में देखेगा, see here it is showing a 90 पॉइंट्स का लीड. that means it is showing a very strong opening for tomorrow if in case it stays at this level or a bit lower. मेरे हिसाब से 40-45 का would be a ideal thing where it should go ahead and check out for some more time, like 40-45 points के पर, that means Nifty should trade about or should open around 40-50 points. That is what I'm thinking for tomorrow, but let's see how it is. There is nothing clear and very hard rule about that. So what we have to do is remember this, traders, that for tomorrow if Nifty does a gap up above this level, okay, that is if we see a 15-minute chart, and if I can pull it down, if it starts going, so you have to trade and wait till 900. You can go long till 900. if it goes about 12,800 के ऊपर अगर gap up open start होता है and it sustains for some time, you can go for 12,800. now what do you mean sustain? अगर ये price hold करता है, if it doesn't come down immediately and if it holds on this especially on a 5-minute chart, okay, then you can go for a 900, 850 to 900 points का एक आप चांस ले सकते हैं, ओके. एंड निफ्टी till 900, 950, okay, this becomes 900, 950, this becomes a shorting zone, okay, so you have to remember that. And in case agar if it doesn't start with a gap up, which I think it should, okay, and if takes a resistance at this level, okay, then you can short it immediately. Now what I mean, how do you short it is wait for a confirmation. ये लेवल में आने के बाद या तो ये गैप अप यहाँ पे स्टार्ट होगा या तो यहाँ पे जाके then it can start going up. अगर ये नीचे जाता है तो ये देखा है आपने, this becomes a strong resistance point. So I think you can go long at this level. Okay, so what you should do is wait for as soon as it gaps out, okay, or wait for this level, that is this level. अगर इसको gap up होके इसके ऊपर sustain करता है about this line, okay, that is 800 के ऊपर sustain करता है, then I think it is considered as a long. If it comes down immediately, then you can do short till 12,713. I think that is the place where we can, yeah, ये level पे, this particular two bands are there, you can short till here, okay. So these are the certain levels that we have to consider as an important level for tomorrow, okay. These are 12,806 के ऊपर अगर gap up start होता है, then you can go for long. But again, gap up हो के बाद it should sustain, it should hold on to this price at least for 2 5-minute bar, okay. It can come down here again at this level and then it can rise up again, okay. That means 15 minutes का 5 minutes के 2 से 3 अगर बार यहाँ पे sustain होते हैं, it let it come down and then let it go up again, so it can come down again here, take support here and then go back again, okay. Suppose if it comes down immediately, okay, then again you have to check out here, that is at 12,713. Let it hold this price. If it holds this price, then you can go long at this place. If it doesn't hold, what I mean holding is, again I'm telling you, 2 to 3 5 minutes chart के जो candle होते हैं like this, okay, let it hold, okay. If it sustains, then you can go long at this level, okay. If it doesn't sustain, if it continues going down, which I have doubts, then you can go for this level. अगर यहाँ से ऊपर जाता है, so there are two targets that I can see, that is 800, 850 to 950. Okay, these are the two levels I can see for tomorrow. If it gaps up and holds on to this price, if it gaps down, holds on to this price, it can bounce back again, take a stop somewhere at this point, and then go down again. So remember these very important points. Now let's see in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, this pink zone is supposed to be the Mahara trading zone, okay. Now what has it done is, it has gone up, taken a support as I mentioned in the Nifty chart. Again I'll go to Nifty chart, see this level out here which I mentioned. Now Bank Nifty is already taken a support there. Here we go, we'll check it up again. See, Bank Nifty is already taken a support here, yesterday itself, sorry, on the Muhurat day itself, it just taken a support there, it is going up. What I presume it can go up to this same place again, okay, and then can start coming down, okay, and then it can take a support at somewhere at this level, or worst come scenario I think at this level somewhere, okay. तो ये जो level है, okay, that is 12,350 के आसपास का जो level है, या 12,320 16 का जो level है, यहाँ पे एक support लेके it can start up again, okay. So keep this in mind, okay, if it's does a gap up and hold above this level या इस लेवल के आसपास, that is 28,750 40 के आसपास अगर होल्ड करता है on a 3 to 4 5 minutes bar पे, then you can go long, don't go short, because Bank Nifty is already shown a, yeah, it is already taken a support here, okay. So let us check that what the trend line is saying is. The trend line is saying, here we go, okay, it's already taken a support at this time, it can go up again, take a resistance somewhere at this level, come back again, okay, and if it come back, then it can come down further down at this level, then go back again, and then come down to this level also, like, okay. So what I would suggest is ki wait and watch in the sense ki the moment you go up, okay, check for this level, अगर gap up start होता है इसके ऊपर, then you can go long till 28,800 या 28,915 के आसपास, या 20,920 के आसपास तक है, you can go long, but immediately close your long position and wait in the sense कि if the price अगर ये band में hold करता है, okay, then wait, you see the trend and then only take it. अगर यहाँ से वो फिसलना चालू करता है, again it might come down out here, this doesn't get valid anymore, it can come down out here and it can go further down, okay. But again, as I told you, Nifty and Bank Nifty doesn't go again in straight line, like look at this, here it came down, again went up, again it came down, again went up, again it came down, again it went up. Remember, the most important position is this one, 2, that is 28,143, 28,346, 28,735 and 28,019, which I think are the most important levels to consider tomorrow. If Nifty close down, which I don't think tomorrow, मेरे हिसाब से तो ये यही रेंज में चलेगा, somewhere around ये रेंज में ही चलना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से. It can go up, come down again, take support either at this level or at this level, and then go up again here. And tomorrow it should be a range bound market. But in case अगर it is showing aggressive buying, तो I think 29,019 should be the point where you should consider shorting. Okay, so remember the 20,850 के आसपास, 20,870 के आसपास you can do a long for this place. ये दो जगह के लिए अगर शॉर्ट करना है तो let it come down out here, and if it is aggressively यहाँ से तोड़ के नीचे आता है, then you can short somewhere at this level. For first target will be 28,346, the second target will be 28,143. Close your shorts at first is this level, और फिर भी if you are aggressive hold on to this, या trading stop loss लगाए and then let it go down further at this level. I hope you're clear with this. If there is any query about the levels on it, please comment so that I can write back to you, or I can cover this in my future videos. In case you like these videos, if you like this setup, if you understood what I'm saying, so please like us, subscribe and share it. If there is any improvement that we need to do on our channel, kindly please write it on a detailed note. Send me a comment, send us a comment. Probably we can improve ourselves soon. Thank you so much.